Hi, Carrie. This is just a little bit of information that I've been sending to my agents or my potential agents that I'm looking to have them start up working for me. So I told you I'm working on getting a contract set up through MEMIC Insurance Agency, or MEMIC Insurance, but my insurance agency name is MiTrust. I did get an LLC for that already. I do have a little logo already. Um, just some information on what I have about what I'm selling. This is for all new agents, so you don't need to know about the licensing stuff. You've already figured that out. Base compensation. Well, before I get into that, I want to go down to MEMIC. So MEMIC is, I have all of these hyperlinks in here. Like I said, an educator-based insurance. It also, you can sell or you qualify for MEMIC if you are at a teaching hospital, so like Wayne State, U of M, Munson counts as a teaching hospital, Mid-Michigan, Health Park, all of those count as teaching hospitals, libraries. Basically, if you are affiliated with those organizations, you qualify. What I like about them is that they have kind of like what you said, that you want to focus on giving back. That is something that MEMIC does in the education world. They really give back through their MEMIC Foundation grant. They have a lot of different marketing dollars incorporated with their agencies to give back to local community schools, things of that nature. So this is just a little bit about MEMIC. I'm not sure if you wanted to look into it. But recently they've signed up with AAA. So now those two are collaborating together. I had no idea up until this journey that AAA sold P&C. I thought they were just like roadside assistance. No idea they sold life insurance. They sold property, casualty, home, auto, that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool. And then here's just a little link that talks about the collaboration between the two and just some of the things that goes between the collaboration. So that's a little bit about what I'm focusing on. I'm going to skip, like I said, the licensing. I want to go back to the base compensation and incentives. I am brand new starting out on all of this, and this is just information that was given to me from corporate. So this is nothing that I have, set in stone. But like I said earlier on the phone today, that this is a baseline producer production spreadsheet. So you're looking at, if you are an agent working underneath me, then for auto, if you sold 14 autos a month for a year, every month for a year, 7 home every month for a year, 5 memberships every month for a year, and 1 credit card every month for a year. After 1 year, so your commission would be 50% commission at $13 an hour, 40 hours a week. You're looking at all your payroll stuff. You're looking at a take-home pay of around like $45,000, $46,000. That's what it would look like. Now, year 2 and year 3, that's going to go up because those renewals are going to start adding up for you. This is based on the information that was given to me. I do not know exactly what the dollars are going to look like, but this is what I've been telling everybody because this is what I'm going to be formatting all of my stuff off of. There is something I did want to, I'm not focusing so much on the health stuff right now. That is something I wanted to bring in 6 months. So if that is something you're willing to kind of like head up, and so that you could have your health and I could have my P&C and then we could work together, I think that would be awesome. I don't see how that could fail at all. The only thing that would hook us up would be the contract languages, because the lady that I'm working with on everything is, her name's Lori, and she said, hold on, I'm pulling up my text messages here because I want to make sure that I word this right. Appointed. Okay, you cannot be appointed with any other carriers in order to work underneath me. I'm not sure what that looks like with me either, but regardless, heck, if we could share an office and we could work side by side and share an office sign or something, I'm totally game for that. I don't see why that wouldn't work. I have a girl that is going to be working underneath me selling PNC as an agent, and she's currently a nurse, and she's getting her master's right now in health administration, but she wants to make this switch in a couple years full time. And I even told her I would love to have her tap into the health stuff. So if she could work for both of us, if she's not appointed with any carriers, then I don't see how it couldn't work out. Like I said, I've got a secretary starting already. My open date hopefully is August 1st. There's 3 office spaces in the building that I'm renting, and I would love to work on that. So I will talk to um, my lead, my mentor, Lori, about everything to see if we can get these to work with our contracts, because I think that'd be awesome if we could collaborate. I would love that. Feel free to give me a call whenever, and let me know if you find out any snags on your end in terms of contracts. All right, take care. Nice talking to you today.